back to Code Soul, and in this video we are going to start our some data types. Like in this video I'm going to tell you data types, integer data type, only integer data type, and I will be giving you a homework. In that next video I'll bringing the solution of the homework. So let's start. So before starting, please like, share and subscribe the video. So let's start. So now the screen is blurred and another screen update. So now you can see that integer. What is integer? Integer is an, in mathematics what is integer? Integer is a numerical value. So in this also the integer is only the numerical value. How it is the numerical value? That also, like we use int egr, like -2, -3, 2, 4, 5. Okay, these are all integers. Now in this, in Python we use integer as int function. What we use? Int function. So let's start. Let me show you the int function, how we can do it. Okay, see, like first of all, before int function I want to show you one more thing, like how we can add or subtract anything. Like a is equal to 5, b is equals to 7, b is equals to 7, b is equals to 8, print a plus b. Okay, you got it. Let's see. Okay, pri. Oh sorry, I put only pri and I'm not put a t. Now let me put t. A spelling mistake. In this, spelling mistake is very important. And this is in this, who can do that? Also I'm going to tell you that who have Android device, they can do it. They can do this. And I have how to, now you can see 15. You can see the value of 7 plus 8 is 15. Okay, this also we have got. Now I'm going to show you, and by this only we can add, minus, subtract, divide, anything. But for division we use this sign, not this one sign. We do not use this divide one sign, we use this slash one divide one sign. This only slash will come. Okay, I will tell that also. Now let's see. Now we are going to see, like a is equals to, we have taken a, let me take n is equals to int. We will be taking integer value. Input, what is our input? Let's see. Input, enter the host value. Okay, enter the host value. And now let's see. Okay, this is everything. Now see, we are entering our host value like 6l. Now you can see this 6 1, what it is? Int base, because I have been putting l, not in this. Okay, see, now you see that by mistake I have put l. Now you can see 6. See the, it is finished. But if I will putting string, means alphabetical error, it will be showing an alphabetical error for me. So this is an alphabetical error. Now you see that n is equal to int, and n is equal to int, and came. Now you can see p is equals to int. We are going to take input I and put. In input, what we are going to take? We are going to take enter the SECO, and the second I'm writing slowly today. Second, because everybody can see value. Okay, I have got second value also. Now what I will be doing, I will be printing. What we will be doing? Addition. First of all, addition I give priority. N plus p. N is the second value, p is this second value. First value is 45. Anything. Okay, second value 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anything. See the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Now one more thing. See, let's do like this only, addition plus subtraction. Okay, copy. I've copied, because who will be writing this many times? I'll be pasting it in place of n. I'm going to write o, and this I'm going to show you one thing only, that is divide. Subtraction you can put the mask, for divide you have to put this one. Now you see, first value is 65, 59, answer now 67. Anything you can divide by it. See, the answer will be 0.65123208. Okay, this is the simplest way of it. Now in the next video I'm going to bring that how we will be building a calculator Before building a calculator, in next video I'm going to bring that how we can take the input from the user. So in this video we have discussed about integer value, and the next video I'm telling again, in next video we are going to discuss about if else statement. If else statement means why I am doing, why I am breaking the data types in between, because for making a first software we will be needing a if else statement. So I will be telling you about the if else, elif, or anything else. Okay, if else statement. So thank you for watching the video, and please like, share and subscribe the video, and share also the video as much as you can share. And this is the video, and thank you for watching.